An intermediate magnitude 4.2 earthquake was reported around noon near Ushiku, Ushikushi, Ibaraki, Japan. According to the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake, the quake hit on Monday, July 24, 2023, at 1:02 p.m. local time at an intermediate depth of 80 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, which listed it as a magnitude 4.2 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 4.4, France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RENAIS, at magnitude 5.0, the Candelier Observatory and Earthquake Research Institute in Istanbul, Koeri-Ritmk, at magnitude 4.3, Romania's National Institute for Earth Physics, NIEP, at magnitude 5.0, and the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake at magnitude 4.4.